What's up everyone, this is Let's Talk About It with Aaron E, and that's me. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing another hotel review. The hotel I'm staying in is the Gabriel in downtown Miami. There is another Gabriel in South Beach, but I decided to choose the one in downtown Miami. It's a little bit older, maybe by a year or so, but this hotel's been redone. It's really nice. It's amazing, and I want to be able to share that with you. Please hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't done already. It helps me out in a big way, and I continue giving this great content to you. So like I said, this is a Hilton, but it is a Curio, their partnership. So there's, like I said, two Gabriels, one here, one in South Beach. This is the downtown version. Eventually I may go to the one in South Beach. South Beach sometimes to me is a little crazy and hectic, but one of these days I might go. So this is just going to be a quick room tour, a quick review of the lobby, some of the pools and workout areas and so forth. So once again, hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't done already. It helps me out in a big way. And if there's any other comments you want to leave about, hey, I got questions about this or that hotel, gladly do so. One disclaimer note being, this Gabriel hotel, they only take credit card. They do not take cash. I've been to every single Hilton hotel has been able to take cash, so that's kind of a different thing. Side note there. But anyway, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps me out, like I said, in a big way. And let's check out this room tour and hotel tour. All right, so I love the lighting in the hallway. This is nice. So pretty cool here. We're gonna go all the way down at the end of the hallway, wind up getting a corner suite. Man, I can't express enough how freezing it is in the hallway. Oh my gosh, I just walked by another air vent. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm in 902, corner suite. All right, when you first walk in, close the door. Huge mirror, pretty neat. Got this little entranceway table. And then we walk down here, and you got this gigantic window that goes all the way down. You've got your setup for your coffee and water and things like that, and snacks. Through the hallway, once again, got this huge window. We're gonna start with the bathroom. Hi. This is kind of neat. All the lighting here is with this system, and you just touch and drag it, and then kind of cool. So let's get the lighting on. So here's the bathroom. As you walk in, here's the really neat looking tub. And your shower here. I like how you've got, see, who do they got for their shampoos? Never heard of them. I'll have to let you know. I might drop a comment myself or so. If anyone knows how good these are, I'm going to try myself out and figure out how they are. But pretty cool, but pretty neat on the shower. I think that's nice. Once again, there's the tub. You got the his and her sinks. And then you've got the toilet and another commode, which is pretty cool. So that is the bathroom. Now we're gonna go into the main room. Sorry, almost thought I was about to hit glass there. That's funny. So once again, you can see the shower as it goes through from here. Now this is what's insane. This right here is a closet. Really big. Got a lot of room in here. Here, you got your safe, all the space down there. Gotta say, it's pretty neat. So, back to the room. Got your little sitting area here. And then here is where the bed is. I just think that's so beautiful. That's so cool. Nice TV with the JBL updated speaker. Or, well, I know it's the JBL speaker. I'm not sure if that's an updated one or not. But still, everything has this nice, classy look to it, which I love. Really nice. I mean, I even love the flooring here. And then what makes this room so cool is this view. It's kind of loud and noisy because we're right by the freeway here. But they're doing construction. Hilton, I stayed there before. You just get this corner view room, which is awesome. And so cool. All of Miami, the skyline. I might do a video shoot at night. And across the way is where we were, where the Ferris wheel is. So eventually I might do that at night as well. I'll think about that. And then all this space for the balcony. So really neat. Once again, just this view. Just, oh my gosh, this is what you're paying for. And that is really, really cool. So now we're gonna go check out the pool. Elevators are really cool. "14 floors. They're pretty quick, but I just love this paneling. And once again, this place has a bunch of photographs in it.
Going down.
All right, so going to the pool. And this pool is very unique, which I'm about to show you. And this place is nice. A pool out here, which is cool. I'll show that in a minute. Fitness center, that's so cool. And then here is the pool. And it's really awesome. So got your jacuzzi. And then you got your pool here, which is really awesome. And then you've got suites up here that give you access to the pool, which is really cool. I still kind of wanted to be able to get a more of a view of the city versus a pool view. But that's what these rooms are here. Get your private little area. And then you can see it goes all the way up, which is insane. But this only goes to the 15th, or actually this is the top floor, I forgot. The rest of all of this is going to be, I believe, like condos. So, and yeah, that is the pool. So here's the fitness center. Pretty neat little entranceway. Let's check it out. Awesome. Get a really, really cool view. And here. And over here. So you got a good amount of weight and space. TV to watch, stuff like that. And you can see all the cruise ships actually from this level, so that's really cool. Got the Virgin out there, new cruise ship. So that is the gym. This is the other pool. And this is a little more of like a private area. This brings you to the front of the hotel. And now you can see everything. What a beautiful view. Got some extra sitting area space here. And then just look at it. You can just see the city. There was a bunch of cruise ships earlier. And just one view. Unbelievably amazing. Alright, and look at this. They're doing construction, but still, this is so cool. Just everything you see. So this is, I love the photography, you know, me being a photographer. I just love all this stuff here. This is so cool. And then this is the lounge area. And this is amazing. They got another restaurant here. And then just a view out here, which is awesome. And then, so yeah, got a nice quiet little lounge area, which is really cool. I wanted to be able to show you what the room actually looks like at night. It's actually kind of a different vibe. This kind of pops a little more, if you will, which I think is kind of different. Turn that. And then just to show you at night, the room, I think it's just a better color actually. My cell phone makes this look a little more white than it is, but I want to show you this view outside. Check this out. Look at the city. But yeah. So I just wanted to showcase that. One thing that I will say, let me open this, is that the only downside about this room is it's quite noisy. So that's my only kind of complaint. But like I said, that color look at night. And then if I didn't show, I forgot, when you walk in, you got this window here too. So that's pretty cool. You get to see outside. So, whoop, hold on. Like how you can, once again, this dimmer, you can bring it down. Except that didn't work. So let's try this one. There we go. All right, let's see if we can see that again. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see way better outside. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, hit the like and subscribe button down below if you haven't done already. This was just, once again, a hotel review. I'm going to do another hotel next month or shortly. Potentially, I'm going to figure out what I'm doing, and then going to do some other fun stuff on the channel, more with my camera again. So guys, I hope you had a great day. I hope this was a cool video that you liked. This hotel was gorgeous, just top notch as far as, in my opinion, the level of luxury, if you will. So I just had to stay here. So guys, please be safe and enjoy the rest of your day.